Hello, this is John. Today I am going to talk about how to sign up or register for TourASCO Holidays. To sign up for TourASCO Holidays you have to visit TourASCOgroup.com and click on the register button available on the top right. You will see this form page where you have to fill up the details asked. The boxes marked with red star are compulsory to fill. In the owner's field you have to put your first name and second name. For example, John Ford. Similarly, in agency corporate name, you have fill your company name like TourASCO Holidays given in demo. In address field you have to insert your complete business address. For example, 160 Kemp House, Country, United Kingdom and City, London. Also you have fill your zip code and province. It is easy task to do. If you need any help you can mail us at agents@tourasco.com. Insert CAPTCHA given on box and again scroll up. You have to insert your mobile number as given in the demo with phone number. You have to use your country code while inserting your mobile number. You can see the demo for better understanding. We will use your mobile number for contacting with you. Similarly, insert your fax and email address. For your account information you must double check your email address as it will be used for official communication and verification. In SDI code area, insert your SDI code and cross-check the code to keep peace in mind. Similarly, insert your registered VAT number and PEC in respective field. You can also use your personal VAT number if you're individual. You can modify it later by contacting with us. Just mail us and we are available 24/7. You can also give your remarks on the remarks area. This is optional, you can use it if you have remarks. Finally, click on register button available below in the left side. After clicking on register button you will get this type of window. Please note and store your application number for future references. Thank you for watching.